Good morning, everybody. It is Monday and we are getting ourselves cleaned up from the blizzard over the weekend. The snow finally did hit, and it hit pretty good. There are inches and inches of snow drifts. So we are currently in the process of cleaning up the lot, so that way it's going to be safer for everybody once roads are a little bit more clear. Because if we leave all this how it is, it's just going to be a big sheet of ice, which is not going to be good for anybody. So we are all hands on deck getting the lot cleaned up for those of us that were able to make it in with all the school closures, daycare closures, and everything else. We are running a little bit light staff today. If you need anything, please be patient with our team. We are a little bit light. Once we're done with the videos, then I'm going to be jumping on to help with phones as well, because as I mentioned, a lot of people are having trouble get around and just making it in due to all of the closures. But as you can see, the lot has just snow everywhere. Looks like an ice road going through the middle of the lot. We're getting everything pulled up so we can plow everything and just try to make it as clean as possible. Have the team out shoveling the front walkways so that way it can be safer for everybody as well, because if this ice is over, it's just going to be some time until the ice goes away enough that it's not super dangerous. So we are spending the morning and however long it takes to get the lot all cleaned up. You can see from the wind the snow drifts that are around the cars up on the pad. So we have quite a bit of snow removal to do this morning, and we are getting that going so we can be prepared and ready for everybody later on. If you need anything, you can try to reach out using our website to chat in, twinfalls-subaru.com. Twinfalls-subaru.com is probably going to be the most efficient right now, just because we are a little bit short-staffed. And if we're on the phones, obviously we can't answer them again. So if you chat in, we can try to help as many people at once as possible. That's twinfalls-subaru.com to go ahead and chat in with us if you have any questions about anything. We are in the process of the big job of removing all the snow from the front lot and the back lot and the side lot. See Brandon out with the snow plow, just building bigger and bigger piles of snow through the lot, because that storm finally did drop on us and it just kept dropping for a couple of days. So thank you to everybody that used our shuttle service on Friday and Saturday. Right now we are focusing on making sure that the lot is going to be safe as quickly as possible for everybody. If we're able to start doing shuttles later on in the day, we'll do another video to let everybody know, so please stay tuned. Turn on your notifications if it's something that is important for you, so that way you can know right away. But we are here this morning with a short crew, getting everything cleaned up so that way we can be as prepared as possible for everybody now that we're digging out from Blizzard 2024. So thank y'all. We do appreciate everybody. We wouldn't be in the position to help people the way that we've been able to without the support of everybody. So we do truly appreciate that. As I mentioned, if you have any questions, twinfalls-subaru.com, chat in there, twinfalls-subaru.com. Our service department is open. We have some people in that need oil changes and other service work done. So if you're already driving Subaru and you're comfortable with the handling of the Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive, you have tires that can handle the snow, come on by. The team is here and ready to get everything going. Of course, you can chat in twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com to go ahead and schedule an appointment for that as well, just to make sure that you're able to get in at a scheduled time and we have a little bit of preparation for you. Alright, turn on notifications, and we'll be posting later on today if we're able to turn shuttles back on. Again, if you have questions, twinfalls-subaru.com, and we look forward to talking to you all soon.